Hi, welcome to episode 8. If you think you're always right, you're probably wrong. Everybody remembers the kid in grade school that always thought they had the answer to every question, right? They interrupted other kids and always needed to have the last word. You probably just hated this kid. Unfortunately, many of today's construction owners have morphed into the know-it-all kid, and such thinking negatively affects their business and their employees. Always being right can turn people against you. It can stifle conversations and ideas, and it can make employees resent you. Experts have shown a few commonalities to being the person who always thinks they are right. You're a terrible listener. Most people, they know what they're doing, so they rush people through the explanations and don't hear others out. 2, you're not pushing boundaries. They feel they're doing everything right. The problem is, if it isn't broke, don't fix it mindset destroys your potential to innovate and improve. 3, consider new perspectives. If you aren't considering new perspectives and asking for feedback and ideas, you're hampering your success. 4, you don't acknowledge others. You know it all. You do it all. If that's your attitude, you probably don't think about saying thanks or even realizing how much others contribute to your business. Embrace your staff and open your mind to their suggestions. It'll pay off in spades. Don't alienate your team. Open your mind and improve your life. Your business will be better because of it. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back each week for new videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational content.